Once upon a time, there was a king who was gifted a pair of baby macaw parrots by the neighboring king. He had an intention to train the birds and arranged a place in the palace garden for the parrots. Once the bird trainer came to the palace and said that one bird was flying high in the sky, but one more wasn't moving from its branch since the day it had arrived. The king summoned trainer and healers from the nearby kingdoms, but all of them failed. After trying many methods, the king decided to find someone who are familiar of natural habitat. The king handed over the parrot to one of the farmer and asked him to see if he can identify the problem. The next morning, the king was thrilled to see the parrot flying high above the palace garden. The king asked farmer that, "How did you make the parrot fly?" With his hands folded with respect, the farmer said to the king, "It was very easy, Your Majesty. I simply cut the branch where the bird was sitting,